Bored with bland drinks? Imagine serving a mesmerizing, color-shifting lemonade that wows every time. Today, AI Chef divulges the game-changing secret that transforms ordinary lemonade into a breathtaking spectacle. Welcome to AI Chef. Let's unlock this edible masterpiece together. First, the butterfly pea flower infusion. Grab your dried flowers and water. Precise measurements are just below. This vibrant blue isn't merely eye-catching, it's the keystone to our upcoming transformation. This initial brew paves the way for that astonishing color change you glimpsed earlier. What vital property of this tea allows us to create such unbelievable color? Steep the tea for 5 minutes. This extracts every drop of that radiant blue pigment, guaranteeing a deeply saturated hue primed for a dramatic reaction. Craving even deeper color? Steep a bit longer. What crucial detail ensures our base is as pure and untainted as possible? Strain the tea meticulously. This removes the spent flowers, leaving us with a silky smooth, crystal clear blue liquid. Absolutely vital for pristine layering. No unwanted particles are allowed to mar our masterpiece. What would happen if we skipped this seemingly small step? Now, let's build the lemonade base. Fresh lemon juice, granulated sugar, and water. Find the exact quantities in the description. Freshly squeezed juice is paramount for both that vibrant, tangy flavor and its pivotal role in triggering our color shift. Which single ingredient holds the true power to unlock the color transformation? Stir until every last grain of sugar disappears. This guarantees a flawlessly smooth, perfectly balanced sweetness across every sip. Nobody wants a gritty lemonade experience. What property of the sugar is just as important as its sweetness? Chill both the butterfly pea tea and the lemonade thoroughly. Icy temperatures help maintain those pristine layers and hinder fast melting, preventing any unwanted dilution. Overlooking this chilling process could jeopardize the entire visual effect. What unifying element binds the tea and the lemonade together? Fill your tall glasses completely with ice. The ice keeps the beverage refreshingly cold and serves as a foundation upon which our exquisite layers will rest. Clear ice elevates the visual presentation even further. What unexpected element creates the foundation for all our beautiful layers? Gently pour the ice-cold butterfly pea flower tea into each glass, filling it approximately halfway. Take your time. Maintaining a pristine separation is key. Are you primed for the real sorcery to begin? Okay, the stage is set. Now, we arrive at the most crucial juncture. This reveals the true magic, an insightful technique that will transform your drink preparation permanently. Keep your eyes peeled. Here it is, the life-changing secret behind our dazzling, multi-hued visual marvel. By delicately pouring the lemonade over the rounded back of a spoon, we achieve crisp, distinct layers and trigger the vibrant color shift as the acidic lemon juice elegantly merges with the pH-sensitive tea. This precise motion transforms common lemonade into an unforgettable spectacle, an absolute must-have in your drink repertoire. Witness how stunning layers compose that incredible gradient. This is the undeniable payoff from our methodical layering strategy, crafting a truly mesmerizing outcome. Beginning to appreciate the art and science synergizing within this glass? Garnish with a lemon wheel for a final flourish of sophistication and a hint of invigorating citrus fragrance. It adds a definitive layer of visual allure and completes the sensory indulgence. Doesn't it look incredibly thirst-quenching? And there you have it. Behold this glorious creation. The definitive color-changing layered lemonade, radiating visual beauty and invigorating flavor, all unlocked by mastering the deceptively simple secret. Pouring the lemonade over a spoon to sculpt distinct layers and spark that captivating color revolution. That, friends, defines the AI Chef Edge, bringing extraordinary visual and culinary experiences into your everyday kitchen, quickly. For the complete recipe, with definitive measurements and foolproof steps, check out the description down below. Don't miss out. Smash that like button if you found this revelation valuable. Subscribe now for more culinary game changers every week, and drop a comment to let us know what masterpiece the AI chef should tackle next. We'll catch you in the next video.